guys, good afternoon. I'm here at Echo Building. I'm going to Human Heart Mayor Branch to buy some product for new orders, guys. Let's keep busy and be productive in our business and a little bit idle. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny afternoon here, guys. Here at Echo Building, here in Gensan. Magalang Gensan. There you are, guys. The Human Nature Branch here in Gensan. Whew, so busy, guys. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. Yeah, I'm already here at Human Heart near General Science Branch. Guys, let's buy some natural organic products here at Human Heart near Gensan. Glory to God.